Producer, are you serious? You are not joking, right? The Chinese DeepSeek is coming inside our VS Code, Copilot, or GitHub Copilot? Laughing. Yes, it is correct. The Chinese DeepSeek is coming inside our day-to-day ID or development ID, what we software engineer use every day, okay, for our development purpose. Inside VS Code is part of GitHub Copilot. It's coming, okay. What it means for us? It's a Chinese company, Chinese model, which will reside inside our VS Code day and night. It will take everything from us. So why that risk we are bringing, or why that risk Microsoft is bringing for us? Because only one reason: cost. All those front-end model like Gemini, Claude, or OpenAI, their frontline models are so costly. Vibe coding is not looking feasible. As I said in my previous video, if I am burning $100 or $200 per day for vibe coding, how much salary I am getting? So it's not looking at all feasible, right? So the other side of it, what could have done better? If really GitHub wanted to bring something, there are open source models like Google Zema 4 or OpenAI OSS open source. Okay, that could have they brought and create a fusion model and deliver it to end user with a lower price or lower cost. Those Zema 4 or OpenAI OSS, which is open source, okay, they are not bad, they are not great. I'm not saying they are great, but they are not bad. For coding purpose, they are, more than enough. They can do things, okay. But bringing a Chinese model, putting it inside our laptop day and night, and we don't know what it is doing and all those things, okay. How much trust Microsoft have on those Chinese companies, I don't know, okay. But personally saying, I don't prefer any Chinese model, not only DeepSeek, even Quen or any other things which coming from China. I don't believe on that, don't trust on that, even don't recommend it for anyone. But if you like, yes, open source Masteral is there. It's a less price model. You can leverage it. Even for Microsoft, they have also built a model MAI. Okay, that could have integrated with little lesser price. But bringing a Chinese model like DeepSeek is so much dangerous. As you know, that Pebble Pipe, because of export control, it has been banned across every country almost, okay. But I don't know about US whether it is there or not, but apart from US, everywhere it is banned. And you are bringing another danger thing for us, DeepSeek model inside VS Code. So how much dangerous things you are creating for us because of vibe coding? Can we afford this danger? Tell me in comment, okay. Do a thumbs up if you like this video, do a thumbs down if you don't like this video. Share your comments, share your thoughts. Maybe you agree with me, maybe you don't agree with me. Fair enough. Thank you so much. Have a great day.